Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a check payment. Track details of sent checks to vendors. You should reconcile the check after the money is credited in the bank account. How to create a new check. To begin, head to Vendor Payments under the Purchase tab. Now click on Check Register and select New Check. Enter the necessary details, including the vendor name, check number, check date, and bank. Enter the required amount. Now to save the check, click on Save Changes. Your check is now created. How to edit or cancel a check. Now to edit the check, go to Vendor Payments. Select Check Register and choose the check that you want to edit. Click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to cancel the check, click on the Cancel icon. And you are done. How to reconcile a check. Go to Vendor Payments, select Check Register, and choose the check that you want to reconcile. Click on the Reconcile icon. Select the reconcile date. Click on Reconcile. Your check is now reconciled. Thank you for watching.